Musamani wa kugania maoni megiye ndekithira thirikari kwenda gicunjĩ gĩa 15 gĩa shares ciayo kambuni ya Safaricom nĩtabanirio kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a. Amwe aikari makerana ndekithia rĩrĩ na kuheana itũmi ciao.
We need assurance of this money, as you have written here in point 9 and 10, that they will be used for infrastructure like electricity, getting us electricity, good roads. We need assurance that these funds will be used for that purpose.
I rise to support, but ikiwezekana with amendment. Ukiangalia kwa shareholders wa Safaricom, serikali government ni 35%, Vodafone 40%, na public shareholders ni 25%. Mkidictate mnauzia Vodafone share 15%, Vodafone kwa learning of that company itakuwa na 55%. Kwa hivyo in decisions za kuilan na management, maybe mwananchi atafeel amefinyiliwa.
Aigi awana matakirete wedia uyu no makaheana mikana bese zitikogomio na kuhuthika kabeni-ini serithio na giukite.
Kubaliana na 15% ya Safaricom iuzwe, lakini iwe na some amendment. 10% yende kwa Vodafone, because I'm sure at this level musha wa involved in one way or the other. Ya pili, hiyo 5% serikali ipeleke kwa public Kenyans.
Ameba akamiteno ya bunge arĩa maratwaithia mĩhang'o ĩno na mbere nĩmeranĩire kũrũmĩrĩra mawoni ma akenya othe.
Government is proposing to realize 15% of their shares so that they can be able to recoup funds to finance the project. When we talk of 15%, then it implies that out of the 35, there will be a residue of 20% that will still be existing as an investment of the government in Safaricom, and that one will remain deriving the common or the normal income of dividends that has been deriving, the fact that only that it's going to reduce because dividends are paid on the number of shares. So that's something that we need to assure the members of public is that Safaricom will not be holistically owned by one company. However, the Vodafone will be in control, since it will be owning more than 50% of the shareholding.
Harina Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, leto yako ni Alfred Kinuthia wa Maina.